Yo, what's up, Paul? I've been trying to troubleshoot this situation here, and so yeah, I didn't get to catch gold. If you're referring to yesterday, I did not catch gold yesterday. I was just waiting for like an extra push. So yeah, hold on a second. Let's see if it works. All right, testing. All right, testing. Yeah, sounds good to me. All right, perfect. We live. What's up? Yeah, sorry about that, guys. It was yeah, quite a bit of support ticketing going on here. Had to go full Linux mode, system admin type shit, you know what I'm saying? Uh yeah, I had to get under the hood of YouTube here. And so we're live. I'm not sure what we're going to catch, but yeah, I'm not sure what we're going to catch. We'll see about that though. Give me a second, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I haven't caught anything. I've been trying to fix this whole entire stream. Shit crazy. Alright, cool. Come on, son. Come on. Come on, let's get going. Come on. Give me 1 second, y'all. It's a little bit looks like I got a whole bunch of videos, interview videos, webinar videos that I need to start deleting, because at this point it's getting slow. This MacBook getting kind of slow. Yeah, we cannot we cannot operate under these conditions. I'm not even gonna hold you. I ain't gonna lie, trading taught me a lot of patience. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, yo. Well, this was the trade setup I wanted to catch, but you know, I'm twitching right now, boy. I'm tweaking on the inside, but I'm gonna keep it cool. You feel me? I'm gonna keep it cool. I was literally trying to catch this move, son. Like, ah, coñacito, coñacito. Mm-mm-mm. Ugh. Okay. I see I'm getting tested today. No problem. Carajo. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that's the setup I wanted to catch. You know what? Fuck it. It's all good. Cause if this is a change of character we're having right now like that, what time is it? 10:30? Alright. Alright, player. Look like we could reset all the way back up then, huh? Okay. Okay. Damn, they did not want to keep that joint down for long. I'm not guaranteeing we're gonna trade today, guys, with all this troubleshooting I had to do. But I will be taking a look at what potential setups could be for today, tomorrow. What's today? Thursday? Yeah. So like once you already like once too many things was kind of like keeping you from zeroing in or being on your like absolute balance of emotions, that should already tell you don't Don't try to force no trades. Don't even, you know. So if I see a good condition that like I'm already accustomed to, that won't take too much of my brain power to figure out, I might take it. But other than that, yeah, we too. Our mind is operating in such an abundant state that we already know. If I'm not in a flow state, I already know. You know, like, yeah. Where do you think gold is headed to? I think it's headed to 1928. All right, let's check it out. Let's check it out. 1928. I'm gonna tell you right now. This is the first leg. This is the a breaker structure. Until I would see like a retracement, then I'd be able to tell you like where I think price is headed, because I haven't even like, y'all tell me where y'all think price is headed, because clearly with all this delay going on, like I'm not able to give you guys financial advice. Not that it was ever financial advice, but I couldn't even give you a suggestion right now. All I know is from the last I seen this market, I knew price during FOMC. Me and my students, my gang, my team, we was anticipating potential sells. By the time it happened, I was thinking price was going to like go a little higher. That's not what happened. And so it seems like price retested Asia, of course, second wave, day two setups, of course. And so now, like, first you gotta figure out like where price even reacted from. Looks like we react. Oh wow, wow, wow. We reacted off this breaker. Okay, that's good to know. That's good. Okay, so yeah, I mean, yeah, I could see 1928 being a target area for sure. I could see that. If we're bouncing off of H1 breaker, yeah, yeah, this is from the looks of it, they just might take off without ever looking back. Let me see. I hate when the market doesn't give you a proper retracement. So here you are sitting for a proper retracement, is just like ripping. So in situations like this, it's like, whoa, somebody said something else. Is it going to 1929? So same, yeah, you got it going to 1920. Yeah, I definitely see it, bro. Um, in this case, I'll probably just take a trade with stop loss behind 1921, knowing that this is not like the most high quality, but like this pump might not slow down. So risking $5, stop loss 1921. All right, if I'm gonna risk, I'm not gonna risk as much. Like right here should be fine for me, and if it gets stopped out, then I did an attempt. Only concern is, of course, like, this is just the beginning of it. I would prefer to see a retracement and then a continuation, but it's not up to me. So that's why I had to take this attempt, knowing that it's a chance regardless. Thoughts on GU? What are your thoughts on GU? Yeah, I don't think it will pull back neither. Yeah, so I had to take one of them trade opportunities where like you just got to put it right behind the impulse. Just do what you can. If it's one thing yesterday taught me, is it reminded me that like You gotta take the attempt. You gotta take the attempt. Like, that's another level of accepting the risk. It's like, yeah, you're thinking too much. You're thinking extra thoughts and possible scenarios. Just take it. If you get slapped, you get slapped. That's what it is. Stop loss hit. TP hit. Shit crazy. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Yep, I love that line. Till this day, I love that line. Hey. Are you guys getting good feed here? Are you like hearing my voice fine? Is everything good? Cause like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm still feeling, like I got played today with technology. You know. Yo, my boy Tony spitting today. Once you learn, it changes your life. I believe in risk and it's rewarding with patience. Yes, sir. Bro, you good. Hear you clear. Okay, good, good, good. Yo, what's up? What's up, Deadly Sins? Deadly Sins? Hey, you see my hat, bro? Boy talking about Deadly Sins. This is an environment. This is a godly environment, my brother. Deadly Sins. Hey yo. You about to get cast out, man. Yeah, 7 deadly sins. I ain't gonna hold you. My little cousins be watching these animes, and I'm like, y'all don't see the demonic craziness going on over here. Like, at what point does it stop being entertainment? Like, the hell? Yeah, it'd be wild as hell. Like, and then my little 10, 11-year-old kid be I mean, not kids, but cousins. They be all into it. Like, hey, why'd you change that? And I'd be like, go read that. Go read that. All right. So let me check Nas and GU. Ooh. Oh shit. Oh shit. Bad as a mug. Okay. Hey. Hey, yo. Wait for me. Oh shit. Oh shoot. Oh my god. Oh, I gotta get in that joint. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh, stop loss right below the. Oh shoot. Stop loss below the sweep. Hey, don't leave. Hey, don't leave me. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. Oh shoot. Oh. Counter trade buys for the day. I got you. I hope they don't. See, the thing with these setups sometimes is like when they give me one leg, I'm always a little skeptical. I'm gonna get in. I got in, but they give you just one leg, I'll be like, all right now, don't switch up. It is 10:30, so I ain't thinking too much. You know what? I'm not gonna think too much. Let's see what happened. We're gonna go back to oh yeah, New York highs. Yeah, yeah, 14,900. Oh, sheesh. I can feel the pressure, man. Let me see what think market's price action is giving me as far as New York looking like. Yeah, this joint says 900 over here, but on think markets, that's 886. Be careful. Careful, kings and queens. 1884 type shit. But where did we bounce from? Let me check something out. Okay. Oh, that's where we made it? We made it from, wow. Wow. We made it to Friday, August 25th lows. So yeah, like from today and tomorrow, I definitely see the potential of us buying all the way back. The fact that we made it here, I mean, we didn't completely sweep, but either way, yo, if my stop loss gets hit, I don't know, like if they come even lower down here to sweep last Friday lows or something like that, I don't know, next week is a full retracement back up. So thoughts like that make me feel better. All right. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Okay. Let's see what happens. Okay. I'm reloaded. Let me check. Let me check the chat. Trying to catch up. Trying to tell Nas relax. Yeah. Let's see. Big buys. I see we got a trading queen in the building that's a little more vocal today. Might put your name down as one of our potential giveaway winners. I like the energy. I appreciate that. Yeah, I like that. You don't usually get a lot of trading queens on the chat, you know. Not that I know you or anything. Somebody said, "Is there a giveaway today?" Do bears shit in the woods? Of course, it's a giveaway every time we step on these streets, man. Come on, you know this. You know this. All right. Romans 6:23. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Let's stay focused. Of course. Of course. Of course. Of course. I'm getting out of my gold bag. This is what I was talking about. Yeah. It's always like that. First legs, man. The first legs be real misleading. But the way this thing swept, the way this thing swept though, maybe I'll see if we get some type of potential. If not, I'm not gonna try too much. And I'm gonna move my stop loss to this low right here. I'm not about to risk too much. Nope, they're not gonna. It's either you guys want it or you don't. Figure it out. Figure it out fast. You trying to go grab another fallen soldier. Keep pushing. Keep that energy. Like, keep that same energy. Oh wow. Well, they did take out 930's liquidity here. It's a matter of seeing if they're gonna reset or actually continue back to New York. I mean, London highs. Oh Lord, I need to get out of this. I need to get out of the stream. Okay, well, it's up to them now. Got my stop loss nice and tight right here. If they come and get me, that'd be the end of it for me. All right. So in the case of gold, price tumbled. Why did we tumble? I have no idea. So this is just going to be considered a break, and I'm not sure if they're going to just continue selling. But I don't think that'll be the case. We'll see. But I'm going to tell you right now, nothing is guaranteed, and wow, bro. Wow. That's crazy. Oh, man. So price clearly bounced off the native 62. That should be a sign for reversal. The market is low-key telling me, like, I should have stayed up for London. Got you. Um, I'm also getting out of my NAS positions. I pretty much am not gonna get back in no trades. All the retracements are happening because price just swept the beginning of the market open highs right here. Should have taken a counter trade, so I saw price buying, so I said let's get it. But as I'm looking at it, yeah, this was a sweep. I probably should have taken the counter trade sell. A lot going on. Yep, I'm out of all my positions, guys. I'm not about to be no sucker. My name is Sir Hans Felix. You will check in the description if you want to follow me. You'll find my Instagram right under. It's good to have you. Welcome. Welcome home. Welcome home. You are new here. Everybody say, welcome, my guy. Welcome, I'm him. I thought I was him, bro. How you him? When I'm him. How's that possible? You must have just landed here. How'd you end up here? Where are you from? I'm him. I gotta find out, man. Hemski was good, twin. Ah, okay, okay, okay. Came. All right, well, you gotta know the gang. You gotta get to know the gang, man. Yes, sir. It's good to have you. Where you streaming from? Wow, 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 wow. We got South Africa once again in the house. South Africa be tuning in to Fortunes, man. That's crazy. I'm trying to figure out the ties. I'm trying to figure out the connections. Got a whole lot of South Africa in the house. It's good to have you. Follow me at Sir Hans Felix on Instagram. One thing I love about these platforms is like you just never know who you're connecting with around the world. So, and you never know what impact you are leaving behind. What first impression, like you gotta represent the brand, you gotta represent yourself. So it's good to have you. Toast to you. Cheers. Sit back, relax. Make sure you like and subscribe. And yeah. What's popping? What's popping? What's popping? So, now that I'm not in any trades, let's just go ahead and speculate and see what's going on. One, this is one thing I do notice, and I know for a fact is like, even if price is buying, soon as they take out the liquidity, the internal liquidity from the market open hours, yo, sometimes stuff like this happens, which is why like it be times when okay, we got Kenya in the building. It be times where like you thinking you're in a good buy trade, right? You're holding. You're feeling like holding means trusting your analysis, and then things start to backfire. Take this lesson from me. As soon as you see the trend is changing and you don't like it, forget your analysis. Think about the money. Close the trade. All right? Stop the bleeding. Stop the bleeding until you see a better setup or a better entry option, because don't be so loyal to the point where you are loyal to a fault and then it's you losing out. All right? Don't be so loyal to anything that you're sitting here hurt. You end up being the one that's hurt. Okay? Straight up. All this price action looks cool, but what time is it? 10:52. I wouldn't be surprised if they said retest and a continuation to the downside. Would not be surprised. In fact, yeah. I feel like price could potentially sell off even more. Damn. Wow. 14,752. Look at that. My God. If that is not a... If that's not a quarter point, then I don't know what is. If that's not a psychological key level, then I don't know what is. what do I think about EU? I think I need to order me some more gadgets to this office, because going to look for other setups while looking at one setup is very dangerous. Yeah, I might go grab a new monitor or something. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. From the looks of it, EU looks like they just swept liquidity of London. And so what could happen is they could either retrace, or this is the breaker that they're using to buy back up for tomorrow and such like that. But I mean, we're still fresh into the session. What I would say to you is, if I were to take this buy, my stop loss would be right below this point at 1.0637. Um, but from the looks of it already, I like the internal structure retracement that they're trying to do. Not that I don't trade it. I've taken my attempts for the day. So I gotta respect my risk. I gotta respect my discipline. So all I can do now is just speculate. I can't touch no trades. I love EU. I get away with murder on EU. Damn. Damn, that would have been, oh my lord. This would have been like a 5 pip stop. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hmm. Gold is starting to rally again. Hmm. Yeah, that does look good. That does look good. I ain't gonna hold you. Nope. Yeah, if price holds like that, I definitely will see a beautiful potential counter trade buy for tomorrow, Friday. Um, Hopefully that is the case for Friday, but I mean it's only 11. It's only 11, so like there's a lot that can happen at this point. But this is the stuff I don't like. So as I was saying about Nas, these are the dangers of doing live sessions and stuff. Looking at a lot of different pairs. Uh, as I was saying earlier, you got something like this going on, and since it's 11, and we saw that price already swept New York's market open, this is definitely a sell that I would take. And in fact, I'm actually going to take it. I'm going to take just a small position on my other account. And yeah, and what I'm saying right now to myself is the fact that price one is swept up here, so we have the potential, the full potential of continuing below this point. And then one thing I like about this setup also is the fact that since we swept, we broke and retested. Stop loss above these wicks is very much where I'm anticipating it. If that's not what happens, then so be it. You know. Yep. That's why I had said earlier. I'm like, yo, watch price come up here and potentially sell. You know. So we'll see what happens for real, for real. But that's typically like you understanding the internal structure because back then I probably wouldn't even thought about that. I probably would have been like, I tried taking the counter trade buy, it didn't work. And then I probably would have tried taking another counter trade buy, but that's not what's going on. The fact that they swept up here internally from New York and we was already in a selling trend, yeah, that tells me a lot. So let's see what happens. It's 11 by 11:30. Like if price doesn't sell off, I would still expect it to sell off. All right, so that's my last attempt of trades for the day. And so, um, all right, how's US 30 doing? Yeah, US 30 still has this low to touch. So, and it's only 11, you know? So, all these potentials definitely make sense to attempt for. These are some of the continuation trades that you got to practice on. Let me get rid of this demand right here. not disturb. All right. Okay, so in the case of gold, are we not doing the same thing? Probably. Yeah, it's not rallying. Yep. Guys, to be careful. All right, let me check back with Nas. So, in the case where price does play out, I'm anticipating all this to continue. My stop loss is right there at 14.8, whatever. Yep, 14.824 is my stop loss. Woo! Somebody said I hopped out, took my 1% profit. Let's go. Let's go. It was a counter trend setup anyway. Yeah, feel you. Let's run up the likes on stream. Yes, sir. Appreciate that, Kristen. Welcome back, man. I think gold. I still think gold will head toward 1928 today, but I'm chilling. Okay, cool. I like what I'm seeing, but being patient. It's trying to trick us. I know, right? Trying to trick us since it's made such a big move yesterday. Yeah, I see what they trying to do here. Even that retracement, tricky, tricky. At this point, I can't see this thing not selling, B. But here's the funny thing. This was a this was an exhaustion, right? Let's see if it can respect it. You know, Price likes to figure out all types of different volumes. Let's see if that is the case today. We've already exhausted like twice, so what we don't, you know. It's probably gonna see what's going on. Y'all saw that, right? I'm gonna sell now. I don't know. I'm gonna sell now. Maybe not. I just might later. I'm undecided. Should I sell? I mean, like, maybe tomorrow. Like, maybe at 12. Let me just buy a little bit more. Shit, crazy, bro. Okay, maybe I'll sell. Maybe I'll sell. Maybe. Okay, guys. Just kidding. Okay, maybe I'll sell. Like, you know, I was just testing you. Like, yo, is you single or what? What's up? No, I'm not saying I'm not selling. I'm saying the market is like that one candle right there is like, yo, make up your mind. Okay? Are we eating at Chick-fil-A? Like, are we like, what's up? Like, what we doing? Even this candle, like, until that candle closes, I don't. You feel me? Like, figure out what you're trying to do, okay? Like, figure it out. Oh, nice time FX says it's a buy. Heard you, bro. Heard you. You call the signal. Good luck with EU. EU about to drop. Perfect. We're going to focus on this one. That does mean now's my drop. There you go. There you go. You on NASDAQ buys? Ugh. I think it's time for my barber, but he's in a whole different state. Think I might have to catch a flight. Ugh. All right, so let's read the chat real quick. As soon as Nas breaks past these previous 5-minute highs, forms now should fly given the break of the upside to upside. Okay, guys, good luck. How long have I been trading? I'm an old man. I'm an old man when it comes to this. Guess how long? Oh, you're good, Kristen. You're good, bro. All I know is I understood that trading language and you thought it was a break of structure. And I'm thinking it's a liquidity sweep. So, yep, over 7 years. You got it. I saw Brexit. I remember when USDJPY was trading at those same prices. I remember when Obama got elected and the markets went wild. I remember my first NFP. I remember when interest rates were at 2.0 and 2.5. When nobody cared about interest rates when you first started trading because it was doing just about the same thing. Yeah. I remember when USD CAD went and touched weekly highs in March 2020 and then sold for 1,300 pips for 7 months. Yeah, so I can show you my age. I could definitely, you can tell when I say, well, you know how some traders be like, yeah, I've been trading for that, blah, blah, blah years. And I'm like, prove that to me. Tell me something that happened to you in these markets that you know very well had to happen. Like, you know? Oh, do you guys remember 2019 when GBP AUD went 512 pips in one day? I remember. December 12, 2019. Yep. I can show you too. GBP AUD. Something's going on with my internet speed though. It's crazy. Oh, we're almost almost there. We're almost there. Oh yeah, I remember all this crap too. There we go. Yep. December 12, 2019. There it is right there. Yeah. Yep. There it is right there, boy. There it is. I told you. For sure, bro. For sure. Thank you, Roger. Alright, ain't no cap. Ain't no cap here. Ain't no cap here. So, yep. Man, put some fire on the chat, man. This ain't nothing light. Come on. The next time you ask another person how long you've been trading, tell them to impress you. What do you remember that you can that you can send me to the charts so I can see for sure. Alright? Make it interesting. I'm pretty sure you'll find out some things. I showed you the date. I showed you the numbers of pips. Yep. And I remember what I was doing too. I was in Dallas, Texas. Playing a little 5-on-5. And then I just so happened to check my trades. And all I saw was, I was like, what the hell going on? Come on, somebody. Yeah. I was at Epic playing basketball after a nice little gym session. Nice little workout session. And then, yeah, something told me, yo, check your GA trades real quick, bro. I was like, yo, what the hell going on here? And thinking about it now, it probably was like it was probably part of the whole, like, plan. Banks knew something was going on. We did it. I was like, bro, that's mad random. Like, real random. 500 pips. Yeah, I was in those GA trades, boy. I was eating, boy. I was so happy. Christmas was... I needed that too, like... I needed that. I needed that trade, boy. I tell you. I was in like 2 lot trades and that joint just went two lot trades. And that joint went 474 pips. I closed that thing so fast. KOT ain't never seen somebody withdraw that fast. Yeah, it's me. Yeah, it's me. Yeah. Thank you, bro. My guy, I hope you're not in that buy still for Nas. I'm going to tell you that right now. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if they can respect themselves enough to keep doing what they're supposed to be doing. Yeah, each of those candles, if I did not have a good stop loss where I'm anticipating what was going on. Like all of these things could have made me say, ah, never mind, you know. But it seems like we're doing good. Oh, okay. You waiting for the next 30 minutes. But what do you see that makes you want to that made you want to take that buy though? That's what I want to know. You don't think price is gonna go down and sweep? You don't think price is gonna keep selling, bro? I'll tell you why I really took that sell. The whole reason behind that sell was because price went and took out. It's just like when you take out weekly sweeps, we're bound to go down. You know, like there was no significant break of previous lower highs, and we're already selling. This is the second day of sells. Not to say like your bias wasn't kind of like wasn't valid, but in these conditions, after yesterday and FOMC, they they would rather sweep the lows before they go and buy all the way back up again. That's my opinion. You know, we'll see though. Ah, yeah, exactly. So you see, we got PMI tomorrow. Yeah, they probably gonna leave that buy for tomorrow. You know, good looking, the one guy. Because I do remember in my head, I was like, don't we got like news tomorrow also? Like, then we got JPYs later on, maybe at 11:45 on some random time. Yeah, we got manufacturing PMI. Okay. Yeah, at 9:45 Eastern time. So I guess the one guy's in the Pacific time. So probably in Portland, LA, somewhere like that. Okay, so heavy red folder week indeed, bro. Heavy. All right, so somebody said I don't think it will go below 14,750. How come? Been quite bearish past couple of days. Someone says it should continue, and October is gonna be good. About 16 red folders. Yep. So all right. Seeing as price is not swept, I'm making the decision of staying in this trade for these next couple hours. Uh, I just can't see this low not getting swept, especially after we done already swept 930 highs. It's like if I give this enough patience, I'm sure it's gonna play out. And this candle itself don't like I I know that this candle knows that it can't take itself seriously if it says it's bullish. If that candle says it's bullish, playing itself. All right. So, and looking at this candle here, we got a drop, base, drop. At least that's how I see it. How y'all see it? How do you guys see it? Yeah, I'm still in sales. Yeah, I am. Definitely in sales. Yeah, we have not swept no liquidities here at all. All these lows here from Sunday, August 30, Friday, August 25th. Like, how are we gonna buy if we haven't had any type of structures like that? We're still bearish, from what I see. You know, hopefully it don't take me out, but all right. Make sure you guys are sharing these lives. Make sure you guys are sharing these lives on your Instagrams and all your, like on your social medias. Anywho, guys, I'm still anticipating sales. All right, and I'm gonna give this live another 15 minutes, and then I'll be done. All right. Let me check. But before I'm done, I want to actually shout out. I'm live every Thursday. I want to shout out the winner of today's. You know what? I'm gonna choose a couple winners today. I'll choose two winners. All right, and those two winners are versatility is key. Yeah, and I think it was somebody's first time here, and I'm gonna treat you right. I'm gonna treat you right. Treat you right. Let's see. Since this is the first time and you didn't know who I was, that's my fault. Well, let me introduce myself one more time. My name is Sir Hans Felix, catcher of pips, conqueror of many pairs. All right. So, where is this person at? Are they still here? I'm him. Congratulations. Congratulations if you're still here. If not, then I'm gonna give it to somebody else. I'm gonna give the uh the giveaway to somebody else. What separates good from great traders? Results. Legit results. You can tell what separates a who's your favorite sports player? You can tell who's good on a team and who's great on a team. You know? Okay, if that's your favorite sports player and athlete, then there goes your answer. There are good boxers and then there are great boxers. You know who's great, you know who's good. Yeah, Kobe freaking Bryant. Hell yeah. Jesus Christ. Facts. But nah, let's be honest. Like, there's no comparison. But um, every day you wake up and you're competing with your good self to be your greater self. So if today you were good, try for great tomorrow. I'm in a competition of my own past versions. So I know what I did good yesterday, and I know what I could do great tomorrow. That's what separates a good trader and a great trader. Because nobody knows when you're going to be great, but when that moment happens, you'll know. And before you even acknowledge it yourself, somebody else will. All right, so with that, I'll talk to you guys soon. Looks like the one that I'm him guy is no longer here. So, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to choose somebody else. You know what? I really liked the energy of the one guy. So you are the winner also, bro. Do I have private group? Yeah, I have private I just don't want people to ask that question and they can't afford services, like That's why I don't even be trying to like, you feel me? Like, but if you are interested, reach out to me on Instagram. You will see on the link tree all of my services, all of my products, all of my mentorship. I got some private students in here that actually showed up on my call. So if you are interested and you are capable, then sure. If not, don't worry about it. Okay? So, I'm going to let Nas be Nas and continue doing what it's doing. And yeah, I definitely anticipate seeing these guys by like 12:30 or so. If they continue to be bearish, they're probably going to be heading towards like these type of lows and whatnot. That's what makes the most sense for me. I just can't see them buying out of nowhere. Like, what would cause that? So by 12:30, by 2 p.m., I should know whether I made the right decision or not. You know. So I'm hungry as hell. This lady does never ever think that for 1 second I'm doing a live session. Like, my internet disappointed me today. Right before I was about to end this call, let me make one last judgment call. Oh boy. I'm gonna say this right now. I don't know what happened to them. Ask the person who ask James. I don't know what happened to them. Um, he has his grown decisions that he made. I respect it, and if James makes a decision, he has his reasons. He always has his good reasons, and he likes he has his rules. He has his non-negotiables. I can never speak about another man's decisions on live on public settings. That's not how my code of ethics works. But if you want to know, if you are still wondering, ask James Storms. Me, I'm just Sir Hans Felix. I do what I do. I put in value. I bring value to Fortunes Funding's community, and that's what we focus on out here. You know, value. It's all love from me. I don't I don't make enemies unless somebody disrespects me directly, or I find out that there was like a lot of crazy stuff going on. And if that's what, if once I get some type of confirmation myself, and I'll be like, okay, I know where I stand. But other than that, you know, I feel like it's never. It always is. It always feels every time a good solid team separates or something, I'm never happy. I'm never like cheerful, you know? I'm a type of person who's always just looking forward to collaborations and um, bringing impact. So if for one reason or another, like things did not work out, then of course we gotta respect it and keep it pushing. But you know, ideally, as long as everybody's sticking by like the same type of vision, then that's what matters. Also, like it takes a lot of energy and effort to continuously focus on one platform when each one of us got a lot of things going on. Uh, and that's just kind of one of the main parts, you know. It's not easy maintaining a ship, and some people might have a lot of things going on. Some people might not have the same vision anymore. You know, things happen. You know, things really do happen. You just gotta respect it and keep it pushing. In the case of Nas, I want to hold. I do. Uh, I'm wondering like where this retracement could stop at. You know, like, and I know it might just be a sweep, perhaps, but until 12, I'm gonna have to just stay loyal to my bias. All because I chose a risk that I'm comfortable with. It's never easy or comfortable to just keep watching price just moving, 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 moving. That's why sometimes you just gotta walk away or just let it happen, because like if you keep just having your emotions involved, like you will not survive it. Like, you know, I'm looking at every fluctuation going on right now myself. I'm like, should I? Uh, hmm. You know, and then like you're trying to make the right decision. You are looking to make the right decision as you see price fluctuates, and sometimes it works for your good. Sometimes you feel like you were stubborn. Other times you actually your stubbornness actually pays off. So, uh, trading, trading. I don't know why I did not trade London. Silly, silly me. But yeah. Now that I see price actually doing what it's doing, let's give it another 8 minutes. Let's give it another 8 minutes. I just want to see a good positive ending, at least. Found my YouTube channel. Perfect, bro. My man said, analyze gold. Yes, sir. You better learn how to ask somebody, bro. Who you think you're talking to? You gotta request. If you're making a request, ask it accordingly. I'm not just anybody, bro. How about you analyze gold and drop the analysis in here so everybody could look at it? All right. I'm busy looking at Nas right now. Drop your analysis. We'll tell you if we like it or not. Jaquel said 14.7 hundo. I'm there too. Like that's what I'm trying to see. Like trying to see what's up with your pair. Oh, guess what just happened, guys? Oh, this is the number one thing as you are trading. You never want happening to you. In the middle of a trade, boy, I tell you, boy. All right, well, It's back. Wow. What an emotional roller coaster it has been, ladies and gentlemen. My goodness. US 30 by full send. What? Marcus be bugging, bro. Like, for real, though. I don't know why we even be trusting in these things. Oh, boy. Well, gosh dang it. Thank you, my brother. Screenshot. Yo, that one guy. Reach out to me on Instagram. And Suleiman, gold is bear still. Gold, in fact, looks like is gonna keep selling past the breaker. But yeah, that means tomorrow we more than likely might see continuations, even more continuations. Wow, crazy. Okay. All right. I just wanted to stick around just to see things look better, because I know when a live session is done and then something happens, like you, I know how it feels. I know how it feels. But yeah, I'm glad to see Nas still doing what it's supposed to be doing. Thank God. Oh boy. Anyways, I think I'm gonna close it. I can feel my stomach in knots right now, so not gonna force it. So guys, if you enjoyed this live, make sure to leave some comments, share it, come back into the Discord, the Fortunes Funding Discord. You know, write a couple good reviews. You know what I'm saying? Like, show some love. All right. With that being said, guys, peace, love, and blessings. I'm out.